Good afternoon, Sir Doc Alagos. I'm Jericho Fernandez. This is my presentation. It's about um, intermediate programming. Okay, the I created this video. Is program number one display hello world, and program number two display sum of two integers. Uh, I start this my presentation. Okay, Control N. Number one, my first program number include IStream then using namespace namespace std then wait lang std and main then count. Okay, hello world return 0. Okay, I try to run this. I hope it worked. Okay, it's worked. Hello world, and the next let's try the integers. I have integers then, and I did this the number include IOI stream using namespace std int main open and close paren integers number 1 number 2 then sum input integers count enter the first integer scene count enter second integer scene number 2 then calculate sum number 1 number 2 display the result count the sum is sum end 1 is return 0. I try to run this. Okay, it's worked. I try the integers. Okay, 10 plus 10 is equal 20. Okay, again, 16 plus 30. Okay, it's 46. Then another example, another 20 plus 80 is equal 100. Okay, this is my presentation, Sir Doc Alagos. Again, thank you.